Welcome to Luxury House Search, where your path to homeownership meets luxury living. If you're ready to turn your homeownership dreams into reality, you're in the right place. Getting pre-approved for a home loan involves a series of steps to help you determine how much you can borrow and provide sellers with confidence in your ability to secure financing. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get pre-approved for a home loan. First things first, start by checking your credit score and reviewing your credit report. Lenders will use your credit history to determine your credit worthiness. It's generally a good financial goal to aim for a credit score of 700 or higher. For FHA loans, it's recommended to aim for a credit score of at least 580 for a 3.5% down payment, but higher scores can result in better rates. While the VA doesn't set an official minimum credit score, most lenders who offer VA loans will. It varies by lender, but you'll generally need a credit score of at least 620 to qualify. For conventional loans, a score of 620 to 680 or higher is advisable to access the most favorable loan options. You can check your credit score through various websites and services such as Credit Karma, Credit Sesame, and MyFICO, which offer free access to your credit scores and reports from major credit bureaus like Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Some banks and credit card companies also provide free credit score access to their customers. Additionally, the official website annualcreditreport.com allows you to get a free credit report from each bureau once a year. Although it doesn't provide your credit score, it's essential to monitor your credit regularly to catch any discrepancies or fraudulent activity. If your credit score is less than ideal, work on improving it by paying bills on time, reducing outstanding debt, and correcting any errors on your credit report. Contact Luxury House Search today. We will connect you with credit specialists who can help you elevate your credit score and secure better financial opportunities. Click the link in the description box to begin improving your credit. Before we get started with this video, if you're enjoying it, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we'd really appreciate it if you could smash that subscribe button. Your support means a lot to us. Now, let's get started. Setting a budget is super important when buying a home. We'll show you how to do it right. It's all about your income, monthly bills, and how much money you want to put down. Before you even think about getting that loan, you'll need to make sure you have your financial ducks in a row. Lenders need these documents to assess whether you can handle the financial responsibilities of a loan. First up, you'll need your pay stubs or proof of income for the past 2 years. This helps the lender determine your stable income and employment history. Next on the list are your bank statements for the past 2 to 3 months. These show your financial habits and help the lender verify your assets and liabilities. Don't forget about your tax returns for the past 2 years. These documents reveal your income, deductions, and tax liabilities. You'll also want to provide proof of assets, like investment accounts and retirement accounts. This shows the lender that you have some financial cushion in case things don't go as planned. And last but not least, you'll need proof of identity, such as your driver's license or passport. This is standard procedure to ensure you are who you say you are. Gathering these financial documents is a crucial step in securing that loan you've been eyeing. Remember, being organized and prepared can significantly speed up the loan approval process and increase your chances of getting approved. When getting pre-approved to buy a home, it's crucial to consider not only the mortgage, but also various additional costs that will impact your budget. Beyond the down payment and mortgage payments, you should account for expenses such as closing costs, property taxes, homeowners insurance, private mortgage insurance, and home inspection fees. Additionally, think about the ongoing costs of property maintenance, utilities, HOA fees, and a contingency fund for unforeseen repairs. Preparing for these expenses alongside your mortgage pre-approval will help you make a more informed and realistic home buying decision. Let's explore mortgage scenarios with various loan types and house price ranges. Here are 3 examples each for FHA and VA loans with house prices under $1,050,000, along with 3 examples for conventional loans with house prices ranging from $950,000 to $2.5 million. All scenarios are based on a 6% interest rate and a 30-year loan term. If you'd like for us to break down more mortgage scenarios and dive deeper into the financial process of buying a home, let us know in our comment section below. First things first, you'll want to do your homework and research lenders. Don't just settle for the first one you stumble upon. Shop around. Consider banks, credit unions, online lenders, and mortgage brokers. Take a close look at those interest rates, fees, and don't forget to check out customer reviews. After all, you want a lender who not only offers a great deal, but also delivers top-notch service. If you're curious about what you can afford right now, feel free to reach out to our team. We'll give you a clear idea of your current affordability. Our team has compiled a list of reputable lenders who specialize in pre-approval for home loans. These lenders have a stellar track record when it comes to high-end real estate transactions. They know the luxury market like the back of their hand and are ready to cater to your unique needs as a luxury home buyer. By teaming up with our trusted network of lenders, you gain access to tailored financial solutions and expert guidance. Your journey to securing that dream home becomes smoother and more successful than ever. So, don't wait. Contact us today to connect with these top-tier lenders. It's the first step toward turning your dream into reality. All right, folks, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of getting that pre-approval for your dream home. Here are the key steps to follow. Step 1. Get pre-qualified. Before the big pre-approval, start with this preliminary assessment. It's a quick look at your income and credit score. It's less formal, but gives you a ballpark figure of what you might be able to borrow. Step 2. Complete a loan application. Once you've picked your lender, it's time for the real deal. You can often do this online or in person. Just make sure you have all those necessary financial documents ready to roll. Step 3. The waiting game. Your lender will now review your application and documents. They might even do a hard credit check. If you meet their criteria, you'll get that golden ticket. The pre-approval letter. It tells you how much you can borrow. Step 4. Read the fine print. Take a close look at that pre-approval letter. Check out the loan amount, interest rate, and any conditions you need to meet. Oh, and remember, these letters usually have an expiration date, usually 60 to 90 days. And now, the fun part. Armed with your pre-approval letter, you're ready to go house hunting. Having that letter in hand makes sellers take you seriously. Try to avoid any major financial changes or big purchases while you're in the process. Why? Well, because they could mess with your credit score or your debt-to-income ratio, and that might impact your final loan approval. And speaking of final loan approval, here's what happens next. Once you've picked your dream home and have a purchase agreement in place, your lender will go through a more detailed review, including a property appraisal. If everything checks out, you'll get that green light. Your final loan approval. Remember, when it comes to buying a home, having a knowledgeable real estate agent is super important. Whether you're looking for a luxurious home in Los Angeles or anywhere else across the nation, Luxury House Search is here to assist you. Our expertise lies in luxury properties throughout Los Angeles, but we also have an extensive referral network of exceptional agents nationwide who can provide expert guidance tailored to your specific needs. To begin your house hunting journey, visit luxuryhousesearch.com or simply click the link in our bio to get started. If you found our content informative and enjoyable, please support our channel by clicking the like button, subscribing, and sharing this video with anyone you know who is in the early stages of buying a home. Thank you once more for tuning in. Until next time.